Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up Epic Games on your Mac. First, open your favorite browser and search for Epic Games. Click on the first link that appears in the search results to go to the official Epic Games website. Once you're on the website, click on the blue Download button located at the top right corner of the navigation bar. Save the file to your desired location. After downloading, locate the installer file named epicinstaller.dmg and double-click on it. This will take a few seconds. A new pop-up will appear with the Epic Games Launcher icon on the left and the Applications folder on the right. Simply drag and drop the Epic Games Launcher icon into the Applications folder. This will copy the Epic Games Launcher app to the Applications folder. With the Epic Games Launcher installed, close the pop-up. Next, go to Applications, search for Epic Games Launcher, and click on it. A new pop-up will appear saying, Epic Games Launcher is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click Open. At the welcome screen, log in with your account credentials, or create a new Epic Games account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, the launcher will open. Next, click on your account icon at the top right and select Settings. I prefer to disable the Run when my computer starts option and the Run in background option, as I don't use the Epic Games Launcher often and don't want it running all the time. Scroll down to find additional settings. Enable Allow installs while editors are running. Enable Cloud Saves. Enable Throttle Downloads. I like to limit my download bandwidth for the Epic Games Launcher to prevent other apps from having network-related issues while the launcher is running. I set my download speed to 5000 kbs. Next, I prefer to disable desktop notifications for games and news. When you're done tweaking your Epic Games settings, head back to your game library. On the right-hand side, you can filter your library by platform. Select Mac OS to see all games available to play on your Mac. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any further issues or questions, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.